got the car water sanded, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. I'm gonna drive it around to the booth. Alright, here it is sitting in the paint booth. We've got to wipe it all down. And I'm going to start doing my first coat of compound. Buffing compound it is. Well, there's what it looks like now. We'll go ahead and start. The car is pretty much done. All I gotta do is do a little bit more cleaning on it. It's finished. It's a little dusty right now after I got the buffing done. But I'm gonna go ahead and do your walk around. Still got some compound right here I gotta wipe off. Well, that's it. The car's pretty much done, so now I just gotta call the owner and tell him it's ready for him. Thanks for watching. The car's finished. It's been a long journey, but please subscribe and we'll see what we got to start with next.